Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove leading and trailing spaces from a string. This is a very important data processing step, often used to clean text data. The leading and trailing spaces are nothing but the extra spaces at the beginning or at the end of a string. To use the text data in a meaningful way, we often need to remove these spaces. We'll use Python's built-in string operation strip to remove the leading and the trailing spaces from a sentence. There are actually three functions, namely lstrip, rstrip, and strip, which work in a similar way. If you specify a set of characters as the argument to these functions, they will remove these characters from the beginning or the end of the sentence. If the argument is omitted or none, then they will remove spaces. Let's now demonstrate how these functions work. Let's first define a text string. As you can see, there are a few leading and a few trailing spaces in this string. You can remove only the leading spaces using the function lstrip as shown here. Similarly, you can remove only the trailing spaces using the function rstrip. You can remove both the leading and the trailing spaces using these two functions successively on the same string as is done here. As you can see, both the leading and the trailing spaces are removed. Instead of using two functions, you can simply use the function strip as shown here to remove the extra spaces from both the sides. This is the function that is generally used to remove the leading and the trailing spaces from a string. Now, let's demonstrate how we can pass arguments to these functions. As before, let's define a string like this. As you can see, there are unnecessary characters at the beginning and at the end of the string. As before, you can remove the characters from the beginning using the function lstrip. But this time, you have to mention which characters are unnecessary. You basically have to create a string containing all these characters and pass it as an argument as demonstrated here. You can similarly pass the same argument to the rstrip function to remove the extra characters from the end of the string. You can pass this argument to the strip function as well, which will remove these extra characters from both the sides as shown here. And with this, I am ending my demonstration. I am sure that you are now capable of removing extra spaces or characters from the beginning and the end of a string. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and share this video if you found it useful. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments. If you are interested in similar content, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye and have a great time.